What's up, gang? Welcome back to Prettie Girl Gang TV, where we do nothing but conduct pretty girl business. Okay. It's your girl Jeanina here, and I am back with another video for you guys. And in today's video, I wanted to share with you guys my pretty feet routine. Mostly tips, I would say, to maintain pretty feet. These are the tips that I use, and I thought I'd share them with you guys. You know, girl, when you came to this channel, you knew that it was Prettie Girl Gang TV, okay? So we are pretty literally from head to toe. Literally, okay? Plus, girl, it's the summertime, okay? Post-virus, everybody's outside. We are outside, honey. We are wearing sandals. We are at the beach. We are going out. We are having brunches, oysters and champagne. Toes are out and exposed, okay? So these are just my tips for that. Also, you can use these tips all year round because I use them all year round. So if you guys want to see that, keep on watching. Okay, so first tip and the first step that I do in my pretty feet routine is get pedicures, okay? But here's the deal, girl. Receiving regular pedicures are healthy and keep your feet clean. We want a healthy, clean feet. You want your callus removed, so you want your feet soft. And of course, you want your toes trimmed, okay? We want those toenails trimmed. We want them square. We want them cute. We want them sharp, girl. And we want nice, clean, healthy feet. Pedicures are an investment. Yes, they can be expensive, but you don't have to get like the entire package. You can always get like the regular package, girl, as long as they're like cleaning your feet, cutting your cuticles and toenails and shaping them and softening your feet and stuff like that. That stuff is very important, girl. Invest in your feet. Invest in yourself by investing in your feet. Period. And speaking of pedicures, girl, tip number 2 is for in-between pedicures, okay? Because let's be real, you guys. If you're like me, okay, I am a wife, I am a mother, I own a boutique, I do YouTube, I work a 9-to-5 job. I cannot personally make it to the nail salon every 2 weeks, okay? I don't know about y'all, but I have a lot going on in my life, and sometimes it's 2.5, 3 weeks, 3.5, girl, sometimes even 4, okay? Sometimes your girl don't even go for 4 weeks. So my tip for in-between pedicures is to remove callus off of your feet just to keep your feet soft, you guys. And how you do that is with pedicure tools. Now, I know this might sound a little scary, girl, because most of us go to the nail salon, but I promise you it's easy and it's affordable. So you need to purchase some tools. So the first thing you need to purchase is callus remover, okay? This one is called Callus Terminator. I purchased this from the beauty supply. You can purchase this at the beauty supply, Target. I've seen it at Walmart. Basically anywhere you can get like pedicure stuff, nail supplies or whatever. Get you some nice callus remover, sis, and get you a foot screen, okay? I know you guys know what this is because they use this at the nail salon. You can either get this or you can get the pumice stone. I don't normally see the pumice stone anymore, and I honestly, y'all, like honestly, I like this one better. They call it the cheese grater for obvious reasons, but I like this one better because I feel like it really does get all of the callus off of your feet. Like, it's amazing, and I promise you, it's easy to do. They have the instructions on the back of the callus remover. I mean, it's easy, girl. Doing that in between pedicures will definitely help you maintain soft feet, you guys. My third tip is wash your feet in the shower. Now, girl, I know what you're gonna say. You're gonna say, oh, but Jeanina, everybody knows that, girl. That's common sense. Girl, do not play. I have seen some people with some dirty feet, okay? Wash your feet in the shower. Not just letting the water run down and do whatever it's due. No, you need to wash the soles of your feet, which is the bottom of your feet. You need to get in between your toes because we are out here. We're wearing sandals, okay? If you guys are like me, I'm from California, so I live on the East Coast now, and I'm still not used to cold weather. So sometimes I will just be wearing sandals year-round because I'm used to doing that. If you wear sandals or any like open toe exposed shoes, you know that your feet get dirty. Like, dirt gets in between your toes, it gets on the bottom of your feet, and it likes to stick on your heels and kind of like the bottom and the sides of your feet, and that's what creates that dirty foot look, girl. So make sure you're washing your feet in the shower. We're getting the bottoms of our feet, we're getting in between our toes, everything. Number 4, girl, scrub your feet. I'm gonna say it again, scrub your feet, girl. You can do this easily while you're scrubbing your body if you scrub your body. So I'm the type of person who scrubs their body. I use Tree Hut scrubs. You guys know that. I've mentioned that in any of my other hygiene videos. I swear by Tree Hut's body scrubs. They are the bomb. But while you're scrubbing your body, make sure you scrub your feet. This will help polish your feet and brighten your feet, girl. I personally learned also, girl, that taking extra time and scrubbing my feet helps with the discoloration and tan lines, because like I said, I wear sandals damn near like all year round, and I do get tanned on my feet. So it just helps when I scrub to kind of eliminate that discoloration. It also helps with the mosquito bites, girl, okay? Because y'all know I got plucked from California. I'm living on the East Coast, okay? And the mosquitoes here love me. They tear me up. They tear my legs up and they tear my feet up, because those are the things that's mostly exposed. And if you guys watch my channel, you guys know that I scar very, very easily. I have hyperpigmentation, acne, any type of sore, bump, anything gets dark really, really quick. And it's very hard for me to fade those scars away. And scrubbing has done a number on those scars. They have really helped to diminish and help the discoloration heal faster. So scrub your feet, sis. Tip number 5 is moisturizing your feet. Now, duh, okay? Of course we do that straight after the shower. We put on lotion, right? Okay. I'm talking about paying extra attention to your feet. So after you were to put on your lotion, moisturize your feet separately. Like, pay close attention to your feet and moisturize the feet separately. Now, I use something called a foot salve. I want to say salve because it's S-A-L-V-E, but here in the country they say it's called salve. So if you hear me say salve, I'm talking about the salve. So I use this foot salve by Violets Are Blue. It's their healing salve for dry hands, elbows, and feet. If you guys haven't heard of Violets Are Blue, I would definitely recommend you guys to check it out, especially if you are getting like me where you want more natural skincare with not a bunch of chemicals and things like that. Violets Are Blue are great. They also have a really great natural baking soda free deodorant, girl, that I'm testing out for another video, and so far I'm loving it, okay? But Violets Are Blue makes a nice healing salve, and I'm telling you guys, this stuff works wonders on my feet. I mostly like to do this at night when I'm laying in the bed. That is the best time to moisturize your feet, when you're not walking around and like, you know, getting it all over the carpet and everything else. When you're just sitting down or laying down, moisturize your feet before you go to bed, and I'm telling you, it just works wonders. It keeps your feet soft and it keeps your feet healthy and moisturized. Now, bonus tip, girl, if you really want to take like your soft moisturized feet game to an all-time top tier, honey, moisturize your feet with your oil, your lotion, your salve, whatever you use at night, and then put on a sock overnight, and I'm telling you, your feet will be so soft. The socks that I use for that, they're actually silicone socks. It's by a brand called La Amelie, and these are moisturizing gel socks. They're just some silicone pink socks, and they have like cute little toesies that you can put each and every toe in. This one is actually impregnated with more moisturizing things, but after I use it all up, I just use the socks. And I like silicone socks for that reason, because after you put on the oil and stuff, I feel like when you put on cotton socks or like fuzzy socks or regular socks, it just kind of absorbs all of the oil and kind of just defeats the purpose. But if you have regular socks, or if you just want to use regular socks, that's cool too. I just really like these silicone socks because I feel like they form to my feet. They fit really good and they don't pop off at night, because I don't know about y'all, but I'm a like wild sleeper, okay? I sleep wild. All of the socks will be popped off in the morning, but these socks don't pop off. I feel like they really like cling to my foot, and when I wake up in the morning, they're still there. Plus, I feel like they're easier to clean up. Like I said, if you're using like an oil or a foot salve like I use, I feel like the socks can get kind of gunky and just kind of oily and dirty if they're regular socks, versus if silicone socks, you can easily just kind of rinse them out or wipe them down and they're not like absorbing the oil, you know? But if you want to use regular socks, girl, that is fine too. I find all of my silicone gel socks on Amazon. I will link that brand in the description box below, as well as all of these other products that I'm sharing with you guys. Okay. Since we are on the topic of moisturizing our feet, this is the perfect segue into tip number 6, okay? Let me tell y'all a little secret. If you really want to like show out with your feet, use a dry oil when you're going out at night, okay? Like if you know you're gonna go out to the club, to the hookah, to dinner, to whatever, and you're gonna have your toes exposed, you're gonna have your legs exposed, you're gonna have your feet, you're gonna have your sexy heels, girl, put on a dry oil. I do this every single time I go out into the night, honey. If I know I'm gonna have some cute heels on, I will go ahead and use a cute little dry oil. This one I currently have is the Patrick Ta for body oil. It's so nice. The smell smells so good, and it has a cute like gold reflex of glitter in it. It really just shows out. It really just showcases your feet and your toes. It's not really slippery, so you're not going to be sliding all over in your heels, you know. You're just going to look really glowy. You're just going to look really healthy. Skin is going to be popping, okay? I'll give you guys some other suggestions for dry oil. ColourPop has a really good one, or not ColourPop, I think it's their sister brand, Soul Body. They have a really good one. My favorite one of all time is the Tom Ford Soleil Blanc, but right now, girl, I ran out of it, so I'm just using up my Patrick Ta. But yes, spray a little bit on your feet before you go out, and I'm telling you, you are going to look so glowy, so healthy, so good. That's just like my favorite part when I get all dressed up and I'm looking right and my toes are out, girl. I just love to look oiled and glowy and just really, really nice at night. You know what I mean? Also, girl, I have another trick. Yes, I have another trick that I do when I'm going out. So after I do my dry oil, I'm gonna put y'all up on game because I don't really see anybody else talking about this. I don't know if anybody else knows this. Maybe it's just me. Maybe I'm the only one that does this. I don't know. But after I put on my dry oil, girl, if I really want to show out, I will use cuticle oil and put it on my nails and my toes, okay? Let me show y'all what I'm talking about. This is a cuticle oil by Blossom Beauty. You can go on blossombeauty.com. I personally get this from Target, girl. It's $7. It's affordable. And look how cute it is. Now, this is the rose scent. It smells so good. It smells like just like a rose, you guys. And they have different scents. They have like lavender, they have spring, they have summer, they have all kinds of different scents. It also comes with little real live fermented flowers. As you guys can see, it's just so cute. Those of you who don't know what cuticle oil is, have you guys ever scrolled on Instagram and you saw like the makeup pics? Because me personally, I scroll through Instagram and I look at makeup and I look at like nail designs for like inspo. And you know how some of the nails on there, they're just really glowy and it looks like there's like some type of oil just on their fingers. That's what they're doing. They're putting cuticle oil on, and it's mostly for the picture. It's mostly to look or make the nails look very healthy and freshly done and just glowy and healthy, right? Cuticle oil is something that's really good for your hands and your feet cuticles. It keeps them healthy, it keeps them glowy, it helps them grow in healthy. Like, cuticle oil is it, you guys. It also smells really, really good. So I would suggest using just a little bit of cuticle oil on those toes and those nails when you go out after you do your dry oil, girl. And I'm telling you, you are going to be top notch, okay? So we are down to our last tip. Tip number 7 is maintain your results. Of course, girl. I mean, of course you want to maintain these results because you just did this whole routine. So of course you want to maintain your results. But how do you do that, girl? You do that by covering your feet in the house. Wearing socks, fuzzy slippers, house shoes, whatever you fancy, girl. Just make sure your feet are covered, because as we are walking on the ground, especially if you have hardwood floors, I personally have carpet on the top of my house, and at the bottom we have hardwood floors. So if you're walking on the floor, especially hardwood floors, you are constantly building up calluses and rough spots on your feet. So in order to maintain your soft, freshly removed callus, soft, beautiful, glowy feet, make sure you wear some house slippers, some socks, anything on your feet will do, okay? Okay, girls, so that's my pretty feet routine. Those are my tips. Those are my hacks on how I maintain my pretty feet. If you guys want more hygiene tips, more hygiene hacks, or more hygiene stuff, there is a video right here that you can click on, okay? Make sure you like this video because that tells me that you do like when I do hygiene videos, you guys. Make sure you subscribe, and when you do subscribe, make sure you hit the notification bell so you can be notified every time the gang posts a video. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye-bye.